Then only we can. Okay, so we'll continue the class. Okay, you studied the properties of parallelogram, and when a parallelogram, when a quadrilateral become a parallelogram also. Okay. Okay, take the reader. Take the reader 8.1. Reader 8.1. Question number 9. Copy. Reader 8. Okay. Copy the question. Question number 9. Okay. Copy. Copied or not? Hello.
Just a second, sir.
Okay. Copy and Roll got the marks. Roll got the marks. Okay. And draw the figure. Rishabh, okay. Okay. Draw figure.
Yes, sir.
Okay, copy and draw the figure. Okay. Look at here. Okay, I'll show you. Listen here. This question. Come on. Question. Don't start. I'll explain. It's very lengthy. 5 part is there. Okay. Before starting, you should know what is the parallelogram. This one. Okay. In a parallel, just go through the. Just go through the question. In parallelogram, ABCD, 2 points P and Q are taken on diagonal. P and Q are taken on diagonal BD such that DP equal to BQ. DP equal to BQ. Okay. DP equal to BQ. And show that first one, triangle APD congruent to CQB. Okay, I mark these triangles. I'll give the note, don't try anything. Okay, I'll explain this question fully. Okay. All the guys got the marks, all DPS students got the marks, then type it your marks. Okay. Later we'll conclude it. Okay, make a list. Okay. Okay. The question. Here in a parallelogram ABCD, listen, in a parallelogram ABCD, 2 points P and Q are taken on diagonal BD such that DP equal to BQ. Show that APD congruent to BQC. Okay. Hello. My question. Triangle APD and CQB, any side equal here? APD and CQB, any side equal?
So PD and BQ.
DP
and B. Okay, PD equal to BQ. Okay, don't write, I'll give the note, don't write anything. Then after that, any other sides?
So AD and BC.
AD and BC. Okay, that also correct. AD equal to BC. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Okay, then any other, any side or angle?
So is angle CBQ and ADP equal because of the interior angles?
Okay, angle 1, this angle equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Correspond alternate angles, right? Alternate angles, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Therefore, triangle APD is congruent to triangle congruent triangle CQB. Okay, SAS congruency, correct or no? Side,
Yes, sir.
angle, side, side, angle, side. Okay. First part, right. You're not given, and what you have to prove? Hello, yes or no?
Triangle APD is congruent to triangle.
What ADP, APD? What is the question, man?
Same
Did he
Sir,
copy the
parallel-
question or not? Did he copy
I
or
did,
not?
sir.
Eh?
I did, sir.
Okay, then read the question. What do you have to prove?
We have to prove that triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB.
Okay, CQB. First side PD equal to BQ. Given, right? Hello. PD equal to BQ. That is given. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
AD equal to BC. Opposite sides of parallelogram, right?
Yes, sir.
Then angle 1 equal to angle 2. Alternate angles because their lines are parallel, right?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, these triangles are congruent by SAS congruency. Clear now? Okay. My question not that. Everyone copy the question and you wrote the given. What do you have to prove? Yes or no?
Yes.
You did?
Yes, sir.
Ankit, you did that. Hello, Ankit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you wrote that. What you have to what is given, what you have to prove. Okay. Look at here. One student in other batch. Okay. He lost marks, 3 marks. Your question number 27 and 28. Okay, of your paper. Okay, I think 27 or 28. 1 minute, I'll check. Because this is a lesson for you also. Okay. Yeah, 27 and 28. Okay, his message is like this. Good morning, sir. In 27th and 28th question, do we have to draw the diagram in the answer sheet? My teacher reduced 1.5 each in both questions for not drawing the diagram. 27 and 28 is a figure, right or no?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the same student,
Yes, sir.
another same student. I'm not showing the figure. Look at here, your screen. I didn't see the. I don't want to show the student name. Okay, you can see the message, right? You can see or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
I read. See, 13/9, 21st, 13/9, September 13. You saw that message? 13/9.
Yes, sir.
What I said,
Yes, sir.
figure, right?
Yes, sir.
You can see now.
Sir, it's little blur. Yes, sir.
Now?
Now it's open.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And 13/9, there was a test. He didn't draw the figure. He or she didn't draw the figure. Then asked, where is the figure? Okay. After that, 11/10. 11/10. You can see the 11/10 message, my message. You saw? 11/10 message, you can see or not?
Yes.
Okay. Where is the figure? So without figure, then 2 times, and in maybe you remember many classes I warned you. Figure is an important thing. Correct or no?
Yes.
Right? Geometry
Yes, sir.
without figure, how can check it? That's why I wrote supposed to cut all the marks. Okay. And that student got what? How much he got now? Student got 77 out of 80. The 3 marks, how he lost? 1.5 plus 1.5 for the figure. Rest all correct. Right? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
A golden opportunity to get the full mark. Okay, it's a good lesson for all. Okay, that's why I share this incident. Okay, so whenever you draw, attempt a question, especially geometry, underline, especially geometry, without figure, no one can check. Your teacher is very so kind. That's why I gave one remaining marks. Okay, if I check, I won't check at all. I won't check it. Look at here. I didn't check it. That student paper. See, I'll show you. I didn't check it. The paper. Without figure, I won't check it. Okay, I just figure. How can I check without figure? Geometry without figure. Okay, and also another student, the line not marked properly. This like this. Arrows. Okay, that's important thing. Second, chance to mistakes, you put SIS only. SIS not an answer. Okay, SIS means what? You should hide SIS similarity or SIS congruency and all. So careful, it's a lesson. See, he lost 3 marks because of the figure, remaining all the marks. Understood, no? Hello? Okay, if you get
Yes,
63 or 60, 70, that doesn't matter, forget about. Or 50s, no problem, because he or she got 77 mark got, lost 3 marks because of this figure. That is very sad thing, correct or not? Right? That will that student is capable to get full. That's the thing. Understood? No?
Sure.
What I said, no, you got my point. Not
Yes,
just
sir.
pass, not just 60s, not 70s. 77 got, that means capable to get full, everything correct, but we didn't know the figure. I won 2-3 times in our test. Where is the figure? He didn't answer it. So now he suffered. Okay, he or she. Okay. So careful for you. This also. Okay, now the steps as per the CBSE. I'm talking about CBSE. Okay. I know some their arguments are stupid things, but I am supposed to say, I'm supposed to follow as per the CBSE. Okay. So as per CBSE, you have to write what is given, what you have to prove, and proper figure. 1 mark is there.
So your voice is breaking. I can't hear what you're saying.
That is your net problem. Okay. So look at here. You're supposed to write given, what you have to prove, and proper figure. And this frame, 1 mark is there. Okay. If you just start directly answer, you won't get it. Okay. I hope everyone wrote this all. Then write the first answer. Right. Proof. In triangle, APD, in triangle APD, in triangle APD, in triangle APD and CQB. In triangle APD and CQB. PD equal to PQ. BQ. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake here. You didn't notice that.
CQB.
Sir, it is BQ.
Yeah, PD equal to B. PD. That's why no, you should have figure that you have to compare with the figure. PD equal to BQ. Given. You write given. If not write given here, minus half cut. Here minus half cut. Minus half cut. You write minus half cut. So look at here. Hey, just an example. Even though you wrote everything. Hello. You wrote. I just want you have to learn how to learn. Okay. Don't just learn. Look. Suppose you wrote everything. Given, proof, and figure everything there. But reason not there. How much you lost? Minus 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2 mark loss out of 4. Okay, you'll get 2 marks on it. Clear or no? What I said?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so careful this one. Okay, so write PD equal to PQ given, and angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, alternate angles. Angle 1 equal to angle 1 equal to angle 2, alternate angles. Okay, then DP equal to AD equal to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram. AD equal to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram. Then, therefore, triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB. APD congruent to triangle CQB. SAS congruency. SAS congruency. Okay. Finish. This proof, right? This proof. First part is finished. Correct or no? First part is finished. Clear or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. You just check what do you have to find out the second part.
Sir, AP is equal to CQ.
Okay, it's already there. Correct or no? It's already there. Why?
Yes, sir.
AP equal to CQ. CPCT. Correct or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so write that also. AP equal to CQ, CPCT of triangle APD and triangle CQB. Okay, everyone, just go through it. I'll give you 3 minutes. Just go through it, whether it's okay or not. Check it first. Okay. Okay, finish. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Arunima, can you read what you wrote? Only proof.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
In triangle APD and triangle CQB, PD equal to BQ given angle 1 equal to angle 2, alternate interior angles, angle D equal to AD equal to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram, Therefore, triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB by SAS congruency. AP equal to CQ, CPCT of triangle APD and triangle CQB.
Okay, excellent. Vishal, can you read?
Okay,
From
sir.
your note.
Okay, sir. In triangle APD and triangle CQB, PD is equal to BQ given. AD is equal to BC, opposite sides of a parallelogram. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, alternative angles.
Hmm.
Triangle APD is congruent to triangle CQB by SAS congruence.
Then second part, AP equal to CQ, right?
AD is equal.
AP.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your figure, there is one you mark or not? No,
Yes, sir, I did.
you did. Anubama, you mark?
Yes, I marked angle 1 and 2.
Okay, okay. Angit, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Abdul Hadi, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, third part. Okay. Abdul Hadi, close your cam. Okay. Look at here. For me, there is no issue. You open the camera, there is no issue. Okay. I have very strong net connections. Okay. I have a very big screen here. Okay. Around 65-inch screen. I can see. Oh, okay. Okay. Whenever I want, I'll ask. Okay. So look at here now. Now, third part, AQB. AQB. This one. These two triangles. And these two triangles. Okay. My suggestion. Angit. Triangle AQB. AQB and triangle CPD. Any side equal?
AB and CD.
AB and CD. AB and CD. Okay.
CD.
AB equal to CD. You can write reason opposites of parallelogram. Next one, earth. Any other side equal? Earth. And hello, and
Yes, sir. BQ equals to DP.
yeah, BQ equal to PD given. Okay, one more angle. Angle 3 equal to 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, alternate angles. Therefore, triangle AQB is congruent to triangle CPD. Same like SAS congruency. Hence, AQ equal to CP. CPCT. Okay. Right. Are you okay now? Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write fast. You can write yourself, right? Okay, so finish. You wrote like this: in triangle AQB and CPD, AB equal to CD, opposites of parallelogram. BQ equal to DP, given angle 3 equal to angle 4, alternate angles. Therefore, triangle ABQ equal to CQB. Okay. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by SIS congruency. Hence, AQ equal to CP. Okay. Finish or not?
Yes, sir. Finish.
No, sir.
Okay. So now, can you call that AP equal to CQ? Call it number 1. AP equal to CQ. We call it number 1. And now here we got AQ equal to CP. Call it number 2. Okay. Okay, you mark it. AP equal to CQ, AQ equal to CP. 1 and 2 you mark or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My question, Navaneet, not Navaneet. My question is from 1 and 2, what will get? From 1 and 2, what will get, Rishabh? AP equal to CQ and AQ equal to CP. From 1 and 2, what will get?
So opposite sides are equal.
Therefore, AP CQ is a parallel.
parallelogram.
Correct or not? Right? Anupama,
Yes,
understood
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you write from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. AP CQ is a parallelogram. AP CQ is a parallelogram. Okay. In bracket, right? Opposite sides are equal. Okay. Everyone just go through the full note. If you're in doubt, ask me. Okay. This is one other good question. Okay. Hello. Check on. Is it okay now? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Sure.
network issue. Okay, I changed the net. Okay, okay. Everyone okay this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, everyone, copy question number 12. Hello. Copy question number 12.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you repeat the question, sir?
Question number 12. Question number
Okay, sir.
12. Hello. Question number 12. Copy full and draw the figure. Okay. Hello. You don't want to try, just write question. See, the previous question it took around 40 minutes. Okay. Now, this also take time. Okay. Copy or not? Hello.
Copy, sir.
Copy,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So now.
So I didn't draw the figure, so
Okay, draw no figure. Take your time. Okay.
So should we copy the hint also?
What?
Should we copy the hint as well?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Here, this is the figure. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Okay, look at here now. Now listen. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel CD and AD equal to BC. Okay. If AD equal to BC, it's a special type of trapezium. What is that?
Isosceles.
Isosceles trapezium. Okay. 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 Listen here. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel CD. First one, we are show A equal to B and C equal to D. 1 and C we can do together. Okay. Come on. There is a Chota construction is there. Hello. Some figure we have draw a construction. Okay. What I am going to do through C, draw a line parallel here. Okay. Through C, draw a line parallel to AD and extend AB to intersect here E. Okay. Write that one. Construction. Extend AB, construction, right? Extend AB and draw a line, extend AB and draw a line through C parallel to DA, intersecting AB produced at E. Intersecting AB produced at E. Intersecting AB produced at E. What you did? Through C, draw a line parallel to DA, which intersect when AB extended at E. This is clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. So now my question. Hey, don't write now. Stop. My question. Now A, E, C, D. What is that figure? Hello.
Parallelogram.
It's a parallelogram, right? It is a parallelogram, correct or no? It is a parallelogram
Yes.
because of
Parallel-
okay. Okay. Therefore, this angle E equal to D. You have any objection? E equal to D. Is it okay? Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Why in parallelogram opposite angles are equal? Correct or no?
Yes,
In
sir.
parallelogram opposite angles are equal. I call this as X. This also X. Okay. Then look, AD equal to BC. Call it number one. Don't type, I'll give it out. AD equal to CE, number two. AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC, number one. AD equal to CE, number two. Therefore, BC equal to CE. Is it okay? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
AD equal to BC. AD equal to CE. That means these two are equal, correct?
Yes,
Correct.
sir. Correct, sir.
Okay, therefore, this angle and this angle equal. What is the reason that? Angle
Sir,
E
it's
angle E equal to angle B. What is the reason?
Angles opposite to equal sides.
Angle opposite to equal sides are equal, correct? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Okay, what about angle ABC? Look, angle ABC plus angle BCE 180 degree. So what about this angle? ABC how much? Hello. ABC how much?
180 minus X.
180 minus X. Okay. Because linear pair. Okay. Anagar, you answer it. A plus D how much? Hello, Anagar. Angle A plus angle D how much? Where is she? Arunima Anil. Arunima, what is A plus D how much? Hello, I don't know. 180. Okay, A plus D 180, D 1 X. So A how much? A how much?
180 minus.
180 minus X. Okay. Okay, this is X. This also X. Why?
Alternate.
Alternate. So now we finished. You finished first and second finished. Correct or no? Because first question A equal to B 180 minus X. Both are equal. Second one C and D equal to X. So 1 and 2 is over. Okay. I'll give the note. Okay, this is one of the star question. Put the star mark. Okay. 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 Right. Start like this. AD equal to BC. Start like this. AD equal to BC. Call it number one. Given. AD equal to BC. Number one. That is given. Then AD equal to CE. AD equal to CE. Number two. opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Tia, are you getting all this one? Tia,
Yes, sir.
AD equal to BC, given AD equal to CE, number 2 opposite sides of parallelogram. Okay. From 1 and 2 we get, BC equal to CE. BC equal to CE. BC equal to CE. Okay. Hence, angle E equal to angle CBE. Don't write B alone. You'll get the marks. Okay. You can write E alone, no problem, because it's an independent angle. If you're writing, you'll cut the marks. Okay. Angle E equal to angle CBE. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. 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 Okay. Okay. Let angle E equal to angle CBE equal to X. Angle E equal to angle CBE equal to X. Okay. Then angle ABC, angle ABC plus angle CBE equal to 180 degree. Linear pairs. Therefore, angle ABC 180 minus X. 180 minus X. Okay. 180 minus X. Okay. Then angle E equal to angle D equal to X. Angle E equal to angle D equal to X. Angle E equal to angle D equal to X. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Okay. Then angle A plus angle D 180. Angle A plus angle D equal to 180. Angle A plus angle D equal to 180. Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles.
Sir, can we also write adjacent angles of a parallelogram?
Okay,
So
that's no problem. Okay, that's no problem. Same thing only. Okay. Okay. Then A plus angle D 180. Therefore, A is 180 minus X. Hence, angle A equal to angle B. Proved. Angle A equal to angle B. Proved. Angle A equal to angle. Okay. Then this is prove the first part, right or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes, sir.
Then next one, angle EBC angle EBC equal to angle DCB. DCB. Okay. Equal to X. Equal to X. Okay. Therefore, what are the reason? Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Therefore,
Yes.
angle C equal to angle D equal to X. Angle C equal to angle DX. This is second proof. Okay, everyone check first and second. Then only I can start third and fourth.
Sir, can you
Okay.
please repeat the second part?
Second part, what you wrote? Angle EBC, angle EBC equal to angle BCD equal to X, alternate angles. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, already D got X, D already X, C also X. So that means C equal to D. C equal to D. Okay,
So could you repeat angle EBC equal to angle EC?
angle EBC equal to angle BCE. BCE. Right?
So could you repeat again? I didn't get it.
Right. Check where I put X here. You check that. Which angle this one? Look, this angle, this one. Tell me. This angle what?
Angle EBC.
EBC equal to this angle what?
BCD.
BCD. That only. Okay.
So actually, you said BCD. It got mixed. I heard it.
It is
I
marked.
heard it.
No, you can see. Listen. I'm not supposed to give you the note like a KG students. I explained. You're supposed to write, but this is a star question. That's why I gave the note. You're supposed to write after explanation. School also like that only. No, you writing note, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Then, so we proved angle D equal to angle C. Angle D equal to angle C. Okay. Everyone just go through first question and second question. Then only I can start third part. Okay. Finish 1 and 2, okay or not?
Okay.
Okay. Now we are going to third part. Are you okay? First and second, everyone okay or not? Vishal, the first and second, okay or not?
Understood, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now for third part, I'm drawing a separate figure. Okay. I don't want to combine this figure. Okay. Look. For third part, same figure. Don't change anything. A, B, C, D. Okay. What you are show? A, B, C. Okay. And B, A, D. Right? Okay. Look at here. A, B, C. In triangle A, B, C, and triangle B, A, D. AB equal to BA common. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello. AB equal to AB common. Then angle B equal to angle A. ABC equal to angle B A. It is proved, right? Angle B and
Yes,
angle A common. Sorry, proved, right? BC equal to AD given. So that means side, angle, side, side, angle, side. Therefore, these triangles are congruent by what?
SAS
SAS
SAS congruency. SAS congruency. Correct? Okay. Right now. Draw figure first. Okay. Okay. In triangle, draw another separate figure. In triangle ABC and BAD. ABC and BAD. AB equal to BA common. AB equal to BA common. Okay. Then angle ABC equal to angle B equal to angle A. Angle B equal to angle A. Angle B equal to angle A. Proved. Angle B equal to angle A. Proved. Okay. Then BC equal to AD. BC equal to AD. BC equal to AD. BC equal to AD given. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. ABC congruent to triangle BAD. SAS congruency. SAS congruency. Okay. That's finished. Number 3. What about the fourth one? Hello.
So we have to prove that AC is equal to
AC equal to BD. Already we proved. Why? CPCT. Correct or no?
yes, sir.
Yes.
You just write AC equal to DB CPCT in bracket triangle ABC congruent to AB. Finish. Okay. After that, everyone check it. They send it out. Tell me. Okay, is it okay all? Hello. Okay, so then you try question number 10. Try question number 10. Copy question number 10. Hello. Copy
Okay, sir.
question number 10.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, I got disconnected. Sir, is it question number 10?
Yes, question number 10.
Okay.
Hello. Copy the question and try yourself. This is small question. It's a small question. You try first. Okay.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
getting, are you getting or not?
Getting, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, started.
Okay. Anybody getting or not? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, figure is given, no? Okay, so you try first. Okay, this is the figure. Oh, okay, I'll wait. Vishal, I'll wait. Okay, you try first. Okay. A, B, P, you shade this one. These two triangles are congruent. You got to show. Okay. Okay, I'll give you 2 more minutes. Okay, now listen here. Hello. Look. In triangle APB, and triangle CQB, CQD. Any side equal?
Sir, AB and CD.
AB and CD. AB
CD.
equal to CD. Then opposite sides of parallelogram. Next is what? Next. Hello. Next is what?
Angle APB and angle CQD.
Why?
So they both are 90 degrees.
90 degree. Angle P, you can write angle P equal to angle Q, 90 degree. Given. Okay, one more. Kadir, don't say. Other guys. Abdul Hadi, can you say next one? Hello.
Sir, AD is equal to BC.
Eh?
So can I say?
Abdul Hadi.
So
Okay.
can I say?
Okay, tell Patrick.
Sir, angle D is equal to angle B, alternate interior angle.
Angle B, that means this one?
No, sir. Angle D is equal
Eh,
to angle.
No. Which clearly specify which angle?
Sir, in triangle A, sir, in triangle APB,
Yeah.
angle B, and in
Hey,
triangle.
no, don't say B. I told you just now how to specify the angles. How to specify the angle, not B. How? I told you, how to specify the angles. Okay, and how to specify the angle?
Yes, sir. Angle AP, sorry,
Yeah,
AD.
ABP equal to angle CDQ. Patrick, you have to specify which angle, this angle. I know you mentioned this angle. ABP equal to CDQ, alternate angles. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, therefore, these triangles are congruent by AAS. Okay, right now, right, in triangle, right. I get it out. In triangle APB, in triangle APB, in triangle APB and triangle CQD, APB and CQD, AB equal to DC, AB equal to DC, AB equal to DC. Opposite sides of parallelogram. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Okay. Angle P equal to angle Q. Angle P equal to angle Q. Okay. 90 degree given. Angle ABP equal to angle CDQ. CDQ. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. Okay. Therefore, triangle ABP congruent to triangle ABP congruent to triangle APB congruent to triangle CQD. AAS congruency. Okay. Second part, AP equal to CQ, CPCQ. AP equal to CQ, CPCQ. Okay. Now, Next one. Oh, next one. We cannot finish this today. Okay, we'll try. Okay, you try question number. Now you try. This is finished or not?
Finish, sir.
Okay.
Finish,
Then
sir.
try question number 6. Try question
Yes.
number 6. Okay, try question number 6. Okay, so you try. Which question you try now? Question number 6,
Question number
right?
6.
Okay, copy the question, draw figure. Okay, you try. First you try, then after that I'll show this one. Okay. What is the question? diagonal AC of a parallelogram A, B, C. Diagonal AC of a parallelogram bisect angle A. Bisect angle A. So that means X here, X here. Or you can say 1, 1, 2, like that. What you are show? It bisect C also. 3, we are shown that 3 equal to 4. 3 equal to 4 and ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. Anybody got?
Sir, I got the first part, sir.
Okay, wait. I'll wait. Anybody got?
Sir, I'm doing the second part.
Okay. Mega, you got? Nia. Okay, I'll wait. Angit, getting?
Doing, sir.
Okay. Okay, right? Anybody got?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look at here. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Call it number 1. Is it okay? That's given, right? Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And angle 1 equal to angle 4. Why? Angle 1 equal to angle 4. What is the reason?
Alternate interior.
Alternate
Alternate
interior.
angles.
Angle 2 equal to angle 3. Alternate interior angles, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct or no? From 1, 2, 3, because 1 and 2 equal, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. That means AC bisect angle C also. Okay, write first that. First, you mark it 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, given. Then, angle 1 equal to angle 4. Alternate angles. Angle 1 equal to angle 4. Alternate angles. Then, angle 2 equal to angle 3. Alternate angles. Angle 3, angle 2 equal to angle 3. Alternate angles. From 1, 2, 3, we get. From 1, 2, 3, we get angle 3 equal to angle 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4.
Sir,
Yeah, what is the problem?
Sir, in this, like I have a doubt, sir.
Tell me.
In this type of question, can we use
Congruency.
opposite angles of parallelogram are equal? Then we can do it as as congruence.
Yeah, okay. No. But opposite angles are equal. But what is the guarantee? This will bisect. Understood now?
Then in that we can do ACB
Congruency.
triangle ACB congruence. Yeah, that congruence. Then
No. Okay, that's okay. You can say triangle ABC congruent to CDA. Therefore, these triangles are congruent. Hence, this angle equal to this one. This equal to this one. Same thing. Okay, that's okay. No problem. Okay, but this is more easy now. 1
Yes,
equal to
sir.
2, given. 1 equal to 4, alternate angles. 2 equal to 3, alternate angles. So 3 equal to 4, finish. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now that means we finish AC bisect angle C also. Now second part. Vishwant, we are doing question number 6. Question number 6. You can check the YouTube. I'll upload this one. Okay. Okay. Now we are sure that ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. Now look at here. When a parallelogram become a rhombus. When a parallelogram become a rhombus. Hello. When a parallelogram become a rhombus. Tell me.
When all sides are equal.
all sides are equal, or adjacent sides are equal enough. If we can show, okay, if we can show AB equal to BC, that's enough. Okay. Now we got 3 equal to 4. Look, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 equal to 2, 1 equal to 4, 2 equal to 3, 3 equal to 4. That means angle 1 equal to angle 3. Agree or not? 1 equal to 2, 1 equal to 4, 2 equal to 3. So that means 1 equal to 3, right? Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If 1 equal to 3 means, which implies AB equal to BC. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay, you write now, continue. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 equal to 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, that is called 4. Okay, after that you write, hence, angle 1 equal to angle 3. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Therefore, AB equal to BC. Therefore, AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. 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 Okay. Therefore, ABCD is a rhombus. Therefore, ABCD is a rhombus. In bracket, right? In a parallelogram. In a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, adjacent sides are equal. It is a parallelogram. Sorry. In a parallelogram, adjacent sides are equal. It is a rhombus. Okay. So this is enough today. Study up to here. Okay. This week test is will be there. Test chapter. Okay. Test chapter is quadrilaterals. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. GI students not compulsory to write because you have other subject. Okay. Okay. This is enough today.